Viewers, happy new month. Today we'll be discussing simple equation. We are going to solve this equation, which is a fraction. Equation containing fraction. We are going to use what we call balancing method to solve it. We are going to use balancing method to solve it. So in solving this equation, we are going to do this. Like I told you earlier, in solving equation simply means to do what? To find the value for the unknown. The unknown we have here is x. You can see x is the unknown here. This is the equation 1 over 4 x plus 3 over 5x equals to 4 whole number 1 over 4. We want to find the value of x. Okay, so for us to do that, we should know that 1 over 4x is something as x over 4. Okay, it's something as x over 4, and this is something as plus 3x over 5 is equals to this 4 whole number 1 over 4. You change it to improper fraction, which is 4 times 4, 16 plus 1, 17 over 4. Okay, so this is what we have now. This equation is something as this. So the next thing you do is to do what? To find the LCM of 4 and 5. To find the LCM of 4 and 5. The LCM of 4 and 5 is what? 20. 4 divided 20 is 5. 5 times x, 5x. Plus 5 divided 20 is what? 4. 4 times 3x is what? 12x. Is equals to 17 over 4. So when we have this, we simplify the numerator here. 5x plus 12x will give us 17x over 20 is equals to 17 over 4. So the next thing you do is to do what? Is to cross multiply. You cross multiply. Anytime you have two equations or two fractions with equality sign between them, you can easily cross multiply to simplify. So you have 17x times 4x. This is what you have. 17x times 4 is equals to 20 times 17. And 17x times 4 will give you what? 4 times 7, 28. Will give you 68x is equals to 20 times 17 will give you what? 3/4. You divide both sides by a coefficient of x, which is what? 68. You cancel out 68 for you to have x, which is equals to 340 divided by 68 will give you what? It will give you 5. But let's check. 4 here is 1, remainder 2. 4 into 28 is 7. 4 here is what? 8, which is 32, remainder 2. 4 into 20 is 5. 17 divided 85 will give you 5. So our x is equals to 5. So that means our x is equals to 5. You can check your answer by substituting x into any of this equation. That is substituting x here. So that you now have what? 5 over 4. We want to check. When we have this, our x here to be 5 over 4 plus our 3x here. Our x is 5. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 divided by 5 will give you what? 3. 3 over 1 equals to LCM is 4 and 1 will give you what? 4. 4 divided 4 is 1. 1 times 5, 5. Plus 1 divided 4 is what? 4. 4 times 3, 12, which is equals to 17 over 4. And this is equivalent to what we have here. So that shows that our value for s is correct, and this is the solution to this equation. So we're going to do more, or you should do more, in order to learn this. We have other means of other ways of solving this, but this is one of the methods of solving this equation containing fraction using the balancing method. The other way of solving it is what I will show you now. Okay, stay tuned. Means or first method of solving this. The second way is to do what? Is to find the LCM of denominators. If you look at these equations, the denominator of this very one is 4, denominator of this very one, 3x over 5 is 5, and denominator of 4 whole number 1 over 4, which will give us 17 over 4 is what? Is 4. Look at what I mean. This is x over 4 plus 3x over 5 is equals to 17 over 4. This is denominator, this is denominator, this is the denominator. Okay? So for us to solve this, we find the LCM of denominators, which is what? 20. LCM of 4, 5, and 4 will give us 20. You use this LCM to multiply each of the term. To multiply x over 4, use 20 to multiply 3x over 5, use 20 to multiply 17 over 4. Use 20 to multiply 3x x over 4, use 20 to multiply 3x over 5, use 20 to multiply 17 over 4. So let's do that. 20 over 1 times x over 4 plus 20 over 1 times 3x over 5 equals to 20 over 1 times 17 over 4. So we're going to have 4 into 20 will give us 5. 5 times x will give us 5x. Plus 5 divided 20 will give us 4. 4 times 3 give us 12x equals to 4 divided 20 will give us 5. 5 times 17 will give us what? 85. 5 times 17 will give us what? 85. Okay, so 5x plus 12x will give us 17x is equals to 85. You divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 17. Divide both sides by 17. Divide both sides by 17. Our x is equals to 85 divided by 17 will give us what? 5. So and that is the second way of solving this. You can see that we still have our x to be 5, like we checked earlier. When you substitute 5 in this variable, which is x, you find out that you're going to get 17 over 4, which is the equivalent of what we have in this simple equation. Okay? Thank you very much. So I would like you to try this. I would like you to try this and share your comments or your answer in the comment section. So try this assignment. 3a over 4 minus 2a over 3 equals to 1 whole number 3 over 4. 3a over 4 minus 2a over 3 equals to 1 whole number 3 over 4. Solve it using any of this method and share your answer in the comment section. Please like, comment, and also do what? Subscribe in this channel for more lessons and more of this class. Thank you very much. See you guys in our next class. Thank you.